All right, hey guys, Jason, Fender Garage, and I get a lot of questions about what wiring harness should I use when I'm wiring up my truck. And so this is basically the only wiring harness we use, American Auto Wire, and there's a couple different ways and options that you can do it. And so a lot of guys, let's say you're building a 53 to 56 Ford and you're not sure how you're going to wire it up, but you want to keep it kind of original and you want to keep that kind of factory look, then this is the kit that you want. This will help you. It's called their Classic Update. It lets you kind of fit with new modern wiring and products, but kind of go the factory style with all, the visible wiring, everything tidied up and all the parts. The Highway 22 is something that you probably want to use if you're looking to hide the wires and maybe you're trying to have that little bit cleaner job. We always use this one here. And let me show you the differences. Mainly right here, I don't want to take it out of the package because we'll probably use it on another job. But this is your fuse block, and you see all the wires come out of the bottom right there. And so this works perfect for a 53, 56. The guy's got all his wires, he doesn't have to make any connection. All he has to do is run these out to where they belong and all the wires are labeled and connect it, he's done. Works perfect. It's got all the little parts and pieces that you would need for kind of a factory install, okay? A little bit more money for this than this, but it's a little bit more correct for your 53 to 56 and you don't have to buy as many parts to finish it. This one is a little bit different because this one's called the Highway 22. I'll find it here. And here it is. And here's your fuse block here. So this one is a little bit bigger, not quite as small, but it's designed for you to basically run all the wires to it. So this allows us to kind of route our wires and only the wires that we want. Sometimes this has more wires than we need and I hate just clipping wires or having to open things up and take it apart. And so this gives us a little bit simpler, cleaner process. This can also be set up for fan relays if you got electric fans. This does have some things that are a little bit of a drawback if you're trying to go for a Ford 53, 56. Is a lot of these parts here are set up for like a GM switches and ignition. So the cost difference between the two allows you to buy the parts you need to still keep it Ford and still use this. So that's why we use this pretty much exclusively on all the trucks that we're wiring. You can kind of see it's a little bit of a GM style ignition, where this one over here, this is kind of the Ford style ignition. So what you end up doing is you end up having to buy some of these little parts to use in conjunction with your Highway 22, which isn't a big deal, but you're paying more money, and that's kind of why you're paying more money, is because they're giving you all those parts. So if you're looking for, factory, then you want to go with the Classic Update. If you're looking to hide your wires and kind of route everything nice and clean into the box, then you want to go kind of the Highway 22. Again, it's stuff that we use here, only American Auto Wire. There's a lot of other companies out there making wiring, and I'll tell you right now, that's not something you want to get messed up in. We've learned just after, honestly, a bad wiring job after bad wiring job, finally what it takes to make everything look really good. We've had some jobs that haven't gone well, and we've had some we've had to rewire, and everybody thinks they're an expert at it, and I'm just telling you, wiring is something you don't want to mess up, and you want to take your time and do a good job. And we've got some guys in here that finally understand electrical wiring, to where everything works and everything's perfect going out of here. So a couple options for you. American Auto Wire. Think about it, what you're trying to accomplish. If you're looking for the Highway 22, we keep these in stock. We keep all the Classic Updates in stock. If that's something you're looking for, you can go to our website or give us a call here at Fender Garage. And good luck and happy hot rodding. Thanks.